So today I'm going to be showing you a really cool magic trick. I do not know what this is called, but it was presented by a guy called Boomfy. So we're going to be calling this trick the Boomfy trick. Okay, so this is how it goes. Going to take the pack, cut it anywhere, more or less in the middle, place this deck away. Now you can either look at the first card, or you can spread the other part of the deck out and then choose a card from there. So we're going to be using this one, the 3 of clubs. Then we're going to place it on top, and we can cut it anywhere that we want to. Doesn't matter how much time we cut it. Then give the deck back to me, and then we can turn it around and just show you that I'm not cutting to the same card the whole time, because otherwise that would be stupid. Okay, so then you ask the spectator to think of a number between 1 and 10. So let's say the number 2. 1, 2. There's your card. Now you can even flip it back and we can do it again. I'm just going to show you how ridiculously cool this trick really is. Then you can place it like that. Now gave it a few cuts again. And now I'm going to think of a card between 1 and 10. Since I picked 2 last time, let's make it a little bit harder, and we're going to be thinking of a number 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is really a cool magic trick. And again, we can go every time. We're going to cut it anywhere, anytime, any place. Doesn't matter. This trick will always work. I'm going to flip it back over again. So I'm just going to show you that I'm really not cutting to the same card. Okay, there's your card. But I'm not cutting to it the same time. Every time. Now let's make it a little bit harder. We chose 2. We chose 5. So now I'm going to think of a number between 1 and 10. And I think it's going to be the first card. And there it is. So this is the tutorial for the Boomfy trick I just used. I really don't know the name for this trick, but like I said, it was presented by a guy called Boomfy. So yeah, just place that deck on the bottom and another one on top. Now what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna be choosing any suit. You're gonna put it in ace to king, so that ace to 10. So that the 10 is on the bottom and the ace is on the top, or on the bottom in this case, and then the 10 is on the top. Okay, then you can hand the deck over to the spectator. You can just place it down. Tell the spectator to cut it anywhere they want, more or less in the middle. Now either they can look at the first card, which will be the Jack of Hearts, or they can choose any card from the remaining pack that they just took off. So in this case we're going to be using the Jack of Hearts. So remember to place it on top, and then you can tell the spectator to cut the deck anywhere they want to, how much time they want to, doesn't really matter. And then you can ask for the deck back, flip it over, and then you're gonna use your indicator cards. So the suit you pick is the suit you're gonna be using. Look at the number 10, and you can give it a few cuts, obviously, and then you can see it will be the number 2 because we used the spades. Then you can flip the deck back, and then you know your card will be in the second position. So now you can put it all back. Just remember that if you put it the second card, it must go back in the second place. So there you have it. Then you can flip it back again and say, okay, now I'm not going to fool you, and then you see there's the number 10 of the spades, and then you can flip it back and you say, okay, I'm going to think of a number between 1 and 10. Okay, and let's make it a little bit hard and say 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So it doesn't matter where the card is in the deck, as long as you look at the suit you've picked and the number that's on top, your card will be in that position. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.